So today I'll be showing you how to connect wired headphones that have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack to your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Okay, this type of headphones right here. So for this one, since the iPhone 16s have a Type-C port, then you're gonna need an adapter. And one simple adapter you can get is one like this one. So this one, you can see this one has 3.5 millimeter socket and then a Type-C connector on the other side. Okay, and so you can connect your headphones to the adapter like that, and then the adapter into the iPhone. Simple as that. And once you connect, you can see the iPhone already detects that, and it's going to ask me, are you connecting a pair of headphones? And all you have to do is select headphones, and then now your headphones are connected. Simple as that. You can now go and play music or whatever it is you want to play, and it's going to play through the headphones. It's actually playing through the headphones. Let me just put the headphones close to the mic so you can hear. There you go. There you go. So that is basically how to connect. Now, if you connect your headphones through the Type-C port, that means you cannot be able to charge your iPhone. Now, there's a solution for that. Instead of getting this adapter, you can get a different type of adapter. Okay, so let me remove this, put it to the side, and you can get yourself an adapter that allows you to charge. So you can see this is a Type-C connector. This is where you plug in your headphones, and then also it has this pass-through where you can connect your Type-C cable and continue charging while you listen to music. So let's try it out. This one is from Ugreen, same as this one. I'll leave this one's link down below, but you don't have to use these ones from this specific company. There are plenty of such adapters that you can find on Amazon. Anyway, so let me try and connect this. So the Type-C connector goes into the iPhone. Let's plug in the headphones into the adapter like that. And once I connect, you can see they've already been detected. Okay, so let's play some music, and music is playing all good. Okay, now let's try and connect a charger to the pass-through side. This actually attached magnetically, but you can separate them. Okay, so let's connect a charger right there into a power source, and we're good to go. So the headphones are working, we're listening to music, and the iPhone is charging. Okay, there you go. So that is basically how you can connect wired headphones with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack to your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. You do need adapters. Now, I'll leave these two adapters from Ugreen, which is a very good company for these adapters. But of course, you can use any adapters from any other company to have this experience. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and I will talk to you in the next one. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips, and good luck.